My fellow Nigerians in Nigeria, well done, no. Happy Halloween. Yes, happy Halloween to you, Mr. Copycat. Until whatever you can do, I can do better. Now you are celebrating Halloween. Well done, Shegbo. But when they call you to come and celebrate ordinary New Year festival in your village, you will become India. You will say nay. You do not want to be associated with traditional something. When they say it is time for you to come and celebrate new masquerade, you say kush nei. You do not want to be associated with diabolical practices. Your father, let me say it again, your real father. So you can celebrate all these things, you can copy your things, but when it becomes your own, you don't want to be a part of it, abi. The thunder that will fire you, it will come straight out of Okija shrine if you continue to go like this. But anyways, if you are doing party, especially if there's going to be jollof rice, don't worry, I will dress as Eda Jeremiah and I will come and eat jollof and dodo. Thank you very much. Nonsense. Oshisko.